Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Pinterest account. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen, and then you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. From over here, you want to click on account management. From inside account management, the last option, delete your data and account, click on it. From over here, it is going to show you, are you sure? So if you want to delete your account, click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to ask you why you're trying to leave. So choose the option on why you're trying to leave, and you want to click on send email. Now whichever email is linked with your Pinterest account, you want to go open that email. So I'm going to go open the email which is linked with my Pinterest account, where the final step of deleting my account is going to be shown. And as you guys can see, I have received the final step for deleting my account. So from over here, I need to click on yes, delete account, and my Pinterest account will be deleted. But since I don't want to, I will just close this. So that's how you guys can delete your Pinterest account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.